Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. In this video, we are going to have a closer look at the Modifier Group Maintenance Module right after this. The Modifier Group Maintenance Module allows you to group your modifiers and condiments. These groups can then be linked to one or more of your products. On GoPause, when the product is chosen, a modifier pop-up window is displayed, allowing the clerk to select one or more of the modifiers in the group. Let's look at each of the fields and options in this window. In the caption, enter the group name. The Compulsory Selection option will force the user to select at least one modifier from the list. If the user attempts to clear the window before making at least one selection, a Select Condiment message will be displayed on the GoPause register. The Force Quantity option will force the user to select one or more of the options in the group. You must enter the force quantity amount in the force quantity field. If the user attempts to clear the pop-up window before meeting the force quantity, a Select X More message is displayed. Users cannot exit the screen until the minimum quantity has been met. The Stay Down Windows option indicates whether the pop-up window on GoPause should remain open or not after a selection. If enabled, the window will remain open after a selection. This will allow further selections to be made and force the user to close the window using the Clear Fixed function. If disabled, the window will automatically close after the first selection or once the minimum quantity has been met. Manager Required. Select this option if the user requires managerial rights. If enabled and the user does not have managerial rights, a Manager Required message will be displayed and the modifier selection window will not pop up. Managerial override may be accessed by pressing the user USR key and temporarily logging in to a user who does have managerial rights. The letters MO, Managerial Override, will be displayed at the top of the register to indicate Managerial Override mode. The register will return to regular mode once the entry has been completed or the clear key has been pressed. The list of modifiers linked to the group is on the right. The list of all modifiers available is on the left. Clicking on the Modifiers Maintenance button will give you quick access to the Modifier Maintenance module, allowing you to add or remove modifiers. You may search for a modifier by entering a search value in the Filter field. This will filter the list of available modifiers and only display the modifiers containing the entered text. Resizing the column will also resize the corresponding column in the group list. To add a modifier from the list of available modifiers on the left, select the modifier and click on the Add button. This will add the selected modifier after the currently selected modifier in the modifier group list or at the end of the group list if there's no currently selected modifier. You may also double-click on the modifier on the left to perform the same action. To remove a modifier from the group, select the modifier from the group list and click on the Remove button. You may also double-click on the modifier to perform the same action. You may move the currently selected modifier in the group either up or down in the list by clicking on the Move Up or the Move Down buttons. GoPause will display the modifiers in the group based on the order of the modifiers in this list. Once you have completed the setup and entered all the modifiers for your group, you may save the changes and link it to the products of your choice. Well, that's it for now, but stay tuned, and in the next video, I will show you how to set up your corrections.
Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.